Now, this is Live Wire and I'm Poonam Burde. It's been 3 months that Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead and his family and fans have been waiting for justice. 3 parallel investigations are underway, but the CBI is investigating the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, sources within the CBI have told your channel that the forensic report that has been prepared by the team is conclusive and there is absolutely no confusion as to what led to Sushant Singh Rajput's death. CBI sources have told Times Now that the conclusion report, which will be out soon, veers towards suspected homicide. Sources have also told your channel that the medical board team is going to meet on September 17th, which is in 2 days from now, which is when we can expect the report to be made public, and that is when the truth behind Sushant Singh Rajput's death will be out. Breaking news coming in now. Times Now did speak to Sushant's closest friend Kushal Zaveri, who also backs the homicide hint. He has spoken to Times Now in the past as well, where he hinted at foul play. Times Now spoken to him again after what we gathered from our sources within the CBI. This is what he had to say.
I'm really glad to know this, that all this hard work has finally given some results.
Okay.
We almost lost hope
Okay.
because there were several reports that there is no homicide, it's a suicide, and it was very confusing. But finally, after this message, after this news, finally there is something which is conclusive, and I hope we all get the conclusion. 9 तक मैंने बात की थी उससे, and सब कुछ ठीक लग रहा था, सब सही था. We were planning to meet soon. But फिर अचानक 14th को ऐसा जब न्यूज आया, तो सुसाइड एंगल was out of a question. क्योंकि जिसकी बात 2-3 दिन पहले हुई हो, उसके लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है. इनफैक्ट 13th को उसने दीपेश को भी बोला था कि कुशल से बात कर ले उसके बारे में. तो अचानक 14th को सुबह ऐसा कुछ आना, तो ऑब्वियसली आई वॉज होपिंग दैट इट्स नॉट, आई वॉज ऑलमोस्ट श्योर दैट इट्स नॉट अ सुसाइड. और अभी जो रिपोर्ट आया है जिसमें बोल रहे हैं कि होमोसाइड एंगल हो सकता है,
जी,
आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी बिग न्यूज. इन ये जितने भी दिन है इसमें सबसे बड़ा न्यूज है ये. एंड I'm really glad that the investigation is on track right now.
कुशल, आपको भी एजेंसीज ने बुलाया था, आपके भी बयान दर्ज किए, आपने भी तमाम बातें हमें बताया एजेंसी ने कि आपने भी तमाम बातें बताई, अपनी तरफ से पूरी मदद की है आपने एजेंसीज की कि सच सामने आ सके. आपने उनको बताया कि आप आखिरी दिनों तक सुशांत के संपर्क में थे और आपको कभी ऐसा महसूस नहीं हुआ कि वो डिप्रेशन में थे या ऐसी या वो किसी चीज को लेकर अपसेट थे.
डेफिनेटली भाई, मैंने ऑलमोस्ट सीबीआई से 3 दिन बात की है. उन्होंने मुझे काफी सवाल पूछे
जी,
और काफी इन्वेस्टिगेट किया, हर एक चीज, उसकी साइकोलॉजी
जी,
उसके कॉन्टैक्ट, एवरीथिंग जो भी मतलब मेरे पास था. और जो मैंने अपने रिलायबल सोर्सेज से भी सुना था,
जी,
मैंने सब कुछ बताया उन लोग को.
जी.
एंड आई वाज रियली हैप्पी दैट दे वर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग दिस केस इन सच अ प्रोफेशनल वे.
जी.
मेरा सीबीआई पे पूरा फेथ है. और अभी मुझे लग रहा है कि ये ऑलमोस्ट हम लोग कंक्लूजन पे आ गए हैं. और कुछ ही दिनों में हम लोग को पता चल जाएगा एग्जैक्ट रीजंस. एंड फिर दीपेश का मुझे 14th को मैसेज आया था सुबह करीबन 11 बजे,
जी,
saying that Sushant is asking about the deal.
Our team of reporters is tracking all the latest developments as far as the investigations are concerned. It's not just of the CBI, but of the Enforcement Directorate and the Narcotics Bureau as well, because they're multi-agency probe that is probing this entire case. There are several facets to the entire probe. Arunil, coming to you first now. We did hear Deepak Zaveri, we did hear Kushal Zaveri there, I beg your pardon, talk about how it seems likely that there could have been foul play surrounding the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. That is an angle that the CBI is actively looking at.
We have around 10 to 15 testimonies, in fact, who were raising doubt, raising suspicion on the death of the late actor. And now all eyes will be on this crucial, extremely significant report that will come from the AIIMS Forensic Department, basically expected on the September 17th. But if, like our sources are informing us, that it is indicating towards a homicide, if that happens, it will be a major, major blow for the Maharashtra government. Because if you remember, on the next day of the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death, it was Maharashtra Home Minister who openly announced it and basically said that it was an open and shut case. It was basically a case of suicide. Now, if homicide is being considered by the forensic team, it will really open a major, basically a Pandora's box, considering that the Cooper team had done the forensic, the AIIMS team had visited the Cooper team as well. Several questions were raised by many people. In fact, the ambulance attendant had also raised questions. The key maker had also said that he was not allowed to enter into the room. He couldn't see anything, what was happening. A wrong picture of a wrong door was sent by Siddharth Pitani.
Right.
So many doubts were there. So why didn't the Maharashtra government or the Mumbai police probe all these angles? That is the main question that arises. And if homicide is been indicated from the forensic report of AIIMS, then it will be a big blow for the Mumbai police as well as Maharashtra government.
Right, absolutely. Stay with us. Now, as you mentioned, Arunil, several testimonies have come to the fore. It's just a matter of time, 48 hours before that report comes out, and we will know what the AIIMS forensic team has concluded about Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Stay with us.